So what's up, YouTube? You know, I actually filmed this whole entire episode, and for some reason I failed to hit record, but really I just took a picture of myself. So right now I'm filming on a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I just want to try it out. It's really lightweight and it's easy to use. Anyways, this episode is going to be solely about a camp light that I found. I really think you'll like it, so stay tuned. So oftentimes, you know, when we go camping, we have, you know, all of our different pieces of gear. We have propane lanterns, some of us have white gas lanterns, some of us have just flashlights, some of us have eBay lights, Amazon lights. You know, in years past, that's what I used. I used white gas, I used propane, I used an LED light that was charged by, you know, USB. Then my kids got a hold of some of that stuff, right? And of course I didn't let them play with the ones that included fire, like the white gas or the propane. But I let them use the lanterns that were charged by USB or just took batteries. Anyways, the rechargeable lanterns that I had, the kids started playing with them and they're like, oh, hey, Dad, this doesn't work anymore. Thinking that, hey, they just dislodge batteries or something like that. No. 7 and 9-year-old boys, they just know how to completely destroy things. So this next product that I have, I'm not going to let them touch it. It's going to be solely for camp lighting, and I'll go buy them some cheapy light. So what I found was through 230. 230 has these lights. They're actually pretty small. Online they look a lot bigger than they are, but here it goes right here. So measures out to be about 3 inches collapsed. They're right about 2 inches. When they're fully open, this light stands at about 4¼ inches. That's not bad. So, you know, us overlanders, we want to be able to pack as much stuff as we can, or the overlanders that have wives that go with them that like to overpack. But hey, check it out. Just right there, they can go in the center console. I bought 2 of these guys. Hey, one for the wife, one for me, one for the tent, one for the cooking area if you want, or both for me. So anyways, I put this thing to the test. This right here, what I did is when I first got it, I put it on a charger, USB. Charger for like 2 hours, and it was fully charged. Green light came on, and then I put it to its lowest setting. It lasted, on its lowest setting, 24 hours. That's pretty good. Not that we need light for 24 hours, but hey, you know, I think we need about 8 hours. I mean, unless you're living on the dark side of the moon. Hey, you're good to go. Then what I did when it ran out is I collapsed it. I put it outside starting in the morning about 8 o'clock and let it charge completely all the way to the next day. Turned it on this morning on the lowest setting at 8 o'clock, and you can't really tell, but it is on. It's on its lowest setting. Let me see here. Yeah, you really can't tell, but it's on. And it's been going for the last 8 hours, and that's from being charged by the sun. I'm pretty cool with that. So what it looks like, right there, you got the little solar panel. You have a bracket or a bar that rolls up with a little clip, so you can hang it inside the tent. It has the 230 logo right there, a mini USB port, and then has the on-off button. When it is on the charger, and it needs charging, this thing will turn red. When it is fully charged, it'll turn green. So that is the highest setting. Pretty cool. You can fully extend it. And then to change the modes, because it has 4 different modes, you just Click it right there. And then on the medium setting, it kind of has that orange glow. And then you can go to the lowest setting, which you can kind of see right there. It's actually a lot better than the last one. But the last one, it's been running for about 8 hours, just powered from the sun. And then it has the fourth setting. It's like a little candlelight flicker. I don't know if you guys can see that. Not bad, huh? Anyways, I think that's probably that's pretty good. It's pretty good value. I want to say that I paid almost $30 per light, and this is something I've been looking for. I wanted something that was compact, that was bright, that you could be recharged by either A, the sun, or B, USB. And I wanted something that I could hang, and even to sit by itself, and it'll. Okay. Not bad. It'll sit up right by itself. Let's put that right there. Let's see. Can you see that? There you go. So, I didn't get these on Amazon. I went directly to 23Zero. I'm sure they have like a ton of dealers that actually sell the same product. But hey, give it a try. If you have any questions about this particular light, or you want to see it lit up in the dark, let me know. I'll shoot another video, a follow-up video, and we'll take it camping and put it to the test. All right, until next time, please like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the trail.